Hey farm boy, keep dropping that plow, baling that hay, feeding them cows from the rooster crow till another long day is gone. Country on. Hey big rig, keep clocking in miles, pulling that horn, making us smile, rolling that load down the road all night long. Country on. Hey cowboy, keep slinging that rope, eating that dirt, wearing that gold, break a leg rodeo, but just don't break no bones. Country on. Hey barkeep, how about another round? Keep the neon lit in this crazy town. Just pour a little more. Country on. Country on. Yeah. Country on. Hey firemen, boys and girls in blue, we could sure use a lot more like you. You come running in anytime anything goes wrong. Country on. Hey soldier, wherever you might be, hats off to keeping us free. All our thoughts and prayers till you get back home. Country on. Hey hometown, keep throwing that ball, raise them outside, hang a fish on the wall. They only stay a little so long, so love them up strong. Country on. I say hey, hey, USA, we ain't seen our better days. Hell no, hey y'all. Country on. Country on. Hey Nashville, keep bending them strings, digging for gold, chasing them dreams. Keep on with your songs till the whole world's singing along. Country on. I say hey, hey, USA, we ain't seen our better days. Hell no, hey y'all. Country on. Country on and on and on and on and on. Country on and on and on. Country on.
Oh, country on.
Keep it on and on and on and on and on. Country on and on and on. Country on. Yeah, country on. Woo! Yeah, country on and on and on and on.
Keep putting that country on.
Country on. Country on and on and on and on and on. Country on and on and on. Country on.
He drags in from a dusty field to a stack of unpaid bills. Tractor payments 3 months late. The bank's calling every day. He ain't sure what he's gonna do. He turns on the evening news, and they bailed out Detroit, bailed out Wall Street, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, all while the American farmer was out baling hay. He ain't like those corporate suits, no golden parachutes. If his crops dry up or drown, well, it's all in God's hands now. The whole world shaking in its shoes, but he just keeps plowing through. And they bailed out Detroit, bailed out sun gets what needs doing done. There's no such thing as a free ride. And they bailed out Detroit, bailed out Wall Street, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, all while the American farmer, all while the American farmer was out baling hay. Out baling hay.
Six lanes, tail lights, red ants marching into the night. They disappear to the left and right again. Another supper from a sack, a 99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watching my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows. Well, I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are, and there's bars on the corners and bars on my heart. But I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows. Whoa, where the green grass